Hello, I'm going to share with you some practical tips for meditation. First of all, choose calm and quiet place so you would not be disturbed and you could feel relaxed. It can be in your home or ideally somewhere outside in the nature where you get more calmness and relaxation, surrounded by nature and having fresh air. Second, set a time. It's better to do short but regular daily meditation rather than longer but just a few times per week. So start meditating for at least 15 minutes every day, and then you can slightly start increasing up to 20-30 minutes or even 1 hour or longer. And you can find the time during the day when you're more relaxed, when you don't need to rush. But ideally is to do it in the morning when you just wake up, because then you can charge up yourself for the rest of the day. As we eat to charge up ourselves physically, so do we meditate to charge up ourselves mentally and emotionally. When you meditate, you will become more peaceful, calm, patient, and then you can more calmly and with tolerance respond to different situations that appear during the day. However, if you struggle doing it in the morning, you can also do in the evening, just before going to sleep, so then you can relax, don't need to rush, and you calm down from all the activities that happened during the day. It's also very important to set your attitude. So remember why you're doing meditation, why is it important to you. Remember that with meditation you can increase your happiness, you can become more peaceful, relaxed and calm. You attain this fulfillment within and you feel this inner joy. And as well with meditation you can release stress, anxiety, worries, fears, and you feel this harmony mentally, emotionally and physically. When you know the benefits and importance of meditation, then it encourages you to do it daily and be more focused when you meditate. It's also important to put all the technologies, the devices aside when you meditate, so you don't have disturbance. If you need, you can set your alarm clock and put aside, so you don't need to watch to your watch every single moment. And ideally is to do meditation in natural light, so you don't have artificial bright lights which disturb you. Another important aspect in meditation is your position. So the most importantly is to align your body, that your spine would be straight, your head, your spine is straight in the same line, and then you can do different sitting positions. You can either sit on a chair if you don't feel comfortable sitting on the mat with the legs crossed. When you sit, you can gently put your hands on your lap or on your knees or just nearby you. And with different yoga positions, you can adjust your legs. So as you can see, you can do easy pose, just crossed legs, and maybe you can swap your legs so you don't get numbness. And also it's important to have some cushion or yoga mat or yoga block to sit on. In this way your knees are lower than your hips and you don't have tension on your body. Another position is half lotus pose, which you take, let's say, right feet you place on your left thigh. When you get tired, you swap your legs and then you put your left feet on your right thigh. And if you feel flexible and you want to challenge yourself slightly more and be more awake and alert when you do meditation, then you can do lotus pose while putting right feet on your left thigh and the left feet on your right thigh. So one on top of the other feet, and you need to be careful that you don't feel pressure on your ankles and the knees gently touching the floor. When you get tired, you release. Another pose is Hero's meditation pose, which is also very nice. You straighten your legs and you bend the one leg like this, and the other leg you place above the bent leg which is below, and basically your legs in one line. You sit nicely, your both buttocks touching the floor, your feet touching the floor, and this way you can just keep your hands on top of your knees and again with spine straight, relax. And one more easy pose when you sit is thunderbolt pose. So you sit nicely on your heels, your feet together, your knees together. If you feel any tension or pressure, you place your pillow just above your heels or below your feet so you don't feel too much tension. And in the next video I will do a video explaining more about the poses for meditation. Next aspect in meditation, which is very important, is breathing. So with breathing you will have different choices in different meditations. You can do different breathing exercises, but generally your breathing is on your natural pattern, and there is a ratio with 2 inhalation, 2 holding and 4 exhalation, or you can make it longer with ratio 4-4-8. So basically your exhalation is twice longer than your inhalation. And when you can even use some essential oils when you breathe. For example, lavender you can use for relaxation, for calmness, and peppermint for awakening and bringing you this more alert feeling. And you can just simply put a drop on your palm, just rub your hands and put next to your nose and inhale. So when you inhale, you feel this alert feeling, you feel more awakened, or with lavender you feel more relaxed and calm. So it helps you as well to go more to the feeling. And with the breathing, then you inhale deeply from your lower abdomen, the air goes to your mid-chest, you inhale through your nose, you hold your breath, and exhale slowly and peacefully. You can exhale through your nose or ideally even through your mouth, so then it's easier to let go different emotions. So you exhale peacefully and calmly. You inhale deeply and you feel how your chest is opening, your shoulders lift up. You hold your breath and you exhale slowly and peacefully, and you feel how your shoulders go down. So then this way you feel more focused and peaceful, keeping this exhalation longer than inhalation. And with the breathing as well, you start focusing on different emotions and feelings, and we can combine with affirmations. So when you inhale, you visualize, you feel when you inhale, you feel you inhaling peace, love, kindness, compassion, happiness, something that is pleasant to you. And when you exhale, you feel how you let go something that brings you tension. It can be sadness, anxiety, worries, resentment, frustration, anything that you want to let go. It can be even situations, people, your character qualities that you want to let go and just be free from that. So then in this way you use in the way of affirmations that I'm inhaling peace, I'm attaining this inner peace, I'm attaining this happiness and calmness within. And when you use the affirmation, what you say with a feeling that you already try to awaken this feeling of happiness within, then you attract it and you really start feeling stronger and stronger. So affirmation the best works with the feeling. So awaken the feeling while you're saying, and then it gets intensified and you feel it stronger. And in the same way with the breathing, then try to keep better your eyes gently closed or lower your gaze, because then you can go deeper to your feelings, observe your feelings, what is happening within, so you could be able to let go, because you need to feel these feelings, face them, overcome that pain, and then you can let go with the help of the breathing. That's why through the mouth, when you exhale, you can easily let go. And in the same way, you can focus as well on your physical body. What is any tension in your body? Try to observe and be observer of your body. So go from the top of your head to all the way down to your feet, and just keeping your eyes closed. Just observe your top of your head, your neck, your chest, your heart area, your abdomen, your pelvis, your legs, your arms, also different those centers of energies, and feel if there is any tension. Do you feel any discomfort? Do you feel any pain? And when you have an attention, then try to go to your feeling deeper within yourself. So then you can go into the connection, and then you can let go, because every physical tension is related to our emotions. So when we observe the physical tension, then we go to the feeling, and then we can let go. And in the same way, we can be more mindful because we focus on the breathing. We observe our body, we scan our body, we observe our feelings, and then we can focus on this present moment, here and now. And then we let go of the past problems, the future worries, and let them dissolve. So we become more focused and attentive to what is happening right now. And whenever your mind is wandering away, you just naturally, peacefully bring it back by focusing again on your breathing, on your emotions, on your feelings, on affirmations if you're saying them, on mantras if you're repeating them. And this way you can bring your attention back to the present moment, and you don't need to fight with your mind, which always brings you different thoughts. And sometimes you might have some memories coming, because if you feel some sadness, you will remember a memory that you felt sad, why you felt sad, and then the memory will help you to intensify the feeling, so you would be able to let it go. So you don't push away, you just accept thought that comes, you let it be, and then you focus on the breathing, focus on this mantra, affirmation, whatever you're doing, and then the feeling, and then it naturally will pass away, the thought, and you can go deeper again within. So these are the main tips that I want to share with you. In next videos I'll talk about different things for meditation, and I wish you all the best and good luck doing meditation productively and going deeper within, and focus what you can best on divine, on your feelings, on different affirmations, so you can feel not just a physical effect of meditation but also emotional and mental, and feel that your body, mind and spirit is in harmony. I wish you happiness and see you later. Bye bye.